Introducing the Master Clean by ROTISOL, the auto-clean rotisserie oven built for performance and effortless cleanliness. Available in standard or pass-through with capacities up to 40 whole chickens, the Master Clean is designed to drive impulse sales and elevate food presentation. The Master Clean is the only auto-clean oven that allows you to roast whole chickens, smaller pieces, and cook side dishes simultaneously, using its integrated cooking drip pan, ideal for creating to-go meals. The intuitive touchscreen panel makes cooking programs, recipes, and cleaning functions one touch away. Advanced insulation and thermal-efficient K-glass doors deliver faster cooking, energy efficiency, enhanced safety, and comfort. Plus, its optional ventless hood gives you more options for installation and space optimization. When service ends, the Master Clean takes over. Its powerful 3-cycle automated cleaning program leaves the oven spotless from top to bottom and ready for the next day, saving time, labor, and energy. With low water usage and energy savings, the Master Clean is eco-friendly, efficient, and lets you focus on what matters most, creating exceptional food and unforgettable customer experiences.